Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is refurbished or not. But before I start this video, I also want to mention that refurbished doesn't mean fake phone. Even Apple themselves sell refurbished phones. So this video can only help you if somebody wants to maybe cheat you, sell you a refurbished phone under the name of it is new. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to go to your settings and go to general. Here you click on about. You're going to see your iOS version, your model name, your model number, and your serial number. The first thing you need to pay attention to is your model number. Your model number have the first letter that is very, very important. Those letters mean something. I'm going to put that in the screen so that you're going to see what it means. So the first one is M. M stands for brand new iPhone. It's a brand new retail unit purchased from maybe from a retailer or Apple store. If your model number starts with F, it means it's a refurbished phone by Apple. If it starts with N, it means it's a replacement phone given by Apple. So let's say somebody purchased a phone. I'm going to explain what the meaning of replacement phone. You go to an Apple store and you purchased an iPhone under warranty, of course, for 1 year, and you notice that the speaker is not working, and you take it back to Apple. Apple collect the phone and give you another one. That phone they collected, they are going to change the speaker, make sure everything is okay, then sell it to another person. They are going to change the model number to N. It means replacement iPhone. Now P is a personalized phone. I'm going to put the meaning of all these things in the description so that you can read it and understand. So this is the first way you can know if your iPhone is refurbished or not. Now the second thing you have to do is to copy your serial number and go to this website. I'm going to put the link in the description. You have to put your serial number over here and click on submit. It's going to show you some details about your iPhone. As you can see right here, the coverage has expired on 15th of September 2024. The iPhone was legally purchased on 15th of September 2023. So if you take this information and go back to your settings and go to your coverage, and everything you see on that website match with what you are seeing on your phone, then that's a good sign. Okay, one more thing. This is the last thing you need to do. You have to copy your IMEI and go to this website I'm going to show you. If you want to copy your IMEI, you dial *#06#. Your IMEI is going to pop up. You can copy anyone, even if you have 2 or 3. Don't worry, you can copy anyone. Then go to this website and paste it here. It's going to show you everything you need to know about your iPhone. I'm going to show that in the screen right now. As you can see, the results, everything pretty much matched with what I checked on my phone. All the results is being consistent. I have a 14 Pro Max, 256 gig, color, space black. The color is very important because if the color doesn't match with what you have, that means it is probably refurbished. Activation status activated. Warranty coverage expired as shown in the phone. Purchase date September 15th. Everything is very consistent. Warranty expired in September 15, 2024. Apple Care eligible? No. Valid purchase? Yes. Registered device? Yes. Replaced device? No. Loaner device? No. Refurbished? No. So everything is pretty much consistent across the board. So this is pretty much how you to check if your iPhone is refurbished or not. So based on everything I have checked so far, mine is not refurbished. So if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Also, let me know in the comment section if you're having any issues. I'm going to reply with the speed of light. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.